this is Tiffany from Consignment Chats, and I got my first Flyp box, and I wanted to share with you a couple things about it. First of all, when you get a box from Flyp, or where you get I got matched with somebody. It wasn't one I applied for, I got matched. And they want you to give estimates on each item and what you think you could sell it for without seeing the item, just based on the pictures and the description that the people give. The day that this came in, I was working at my bookkeeping job at the office, and I didn't have time to research every item. So I asked my assistant Lori, and she created this handy sheet where she researched every item, wrote this list down, and basically put all the information she could find about that item and what she approximately thought that we could sell it for. So now I've got the box. Oh, the buyer accepted that, or the consignor accepted that and my rates. And so now I have the box. Well, what was weird was when the box came in, it had eBay tape all over it, and all the items in the box were all different sizes. None of them are new with tags. They're all used. So I feel like this person, this flipper this consignor on Flyp, is probably a reseller and a thrifter, and she just sent me a bunch of stuff that she didn't want to sell or didn't have time to sell or didn't want to deal with. So we are going to do this, and I'm not sure if I can get what I estimated for all these things, but we're gonna try. And so get ready and watch me photograph these.